Condado Ocean Club. This stylish, beachfront resort features modern rooms with water views and luxe amenities, and 3 trendy spots to enjoy thoughtful cuisine, small plates and handcrafted cocktails. The standout feature at Condado Ocean Club is the Insta-famous oceanfront infinity pool, featuring loungers and private cabanas with bottle service. OLV 55. OLV 55 is an adults-only hotel in San Juan's Condado neighborhood, within walking distance to the beach, shopping and restaurants. We love the rooftop pool at this boutique hotel, and on weekends guests can enjoy a rooftop brunch overlooking the Condado Lagoon. Olive Boutique Hotel. Located in the posh Condado neighborhood of San Juan, the upscale Olive Boutique Hotel doesn't allow guests under the age of 15. Its Mediterranean design is sure to wow adults though, including a rooftop lounge with pool, a swanky steakhouse and private verandas outfitted with Spanish tiles and restored wood. Blue Horizon Boutique Resort. Catering exclusively to adults, Blue Horizon Boutique Resort offers breathtaking views from its cliff-top location over Esperanza Bay on Vieques Island. The kid-free resort has lots of perks for the grown-ups, including an oceanfront infinity pool, weekend pizza parties overlooking the water, and a rooftop lounge for sunset viewing.